Syempre, for working from home, you need to have a way to receive funds. Again, I assume meron ka namang bangko, local bank dito sa Pilipinas na at least meron ka. Pangalawa is you should have PayPal account and Wise account or either Payoneer account. Itong tatlong to yung usually receiver ng funds ko if you're a freelancer from the Philippines. And syempre yung mga digital wallet gateways natin like Paymaya, GCash, Coins, yun. It's also good to have. Kasi yung nangyayari is re-receive ka ng funds either sa Wise or PayPal, ipapadala mo sa bank mo, ipapadala mo sa local bank mo, or pwede mo din ipadala sa digital wallet bank mo para dun yung digital wallet bank mo na gagamitin mo sa pang araw-araw na gastos mo.